Good morning, guys. Welcome to weekly vlog number 13. Wow, 13 is kind of a crazy number. Okay, I'm sorry, I want to apologize. The last couple of vlogs, I've been really low energy and I really haven't wanted to shoot one. This time, I don't even care. I am in such a good mood. I've got so much planned, I don't even know what's happening. Basically, the original plan was Sydney was supposed to come down here and hang out with me for the day. We were gonna go swimming, we were gonna go out to lunch, we were gonna go, do all this fun stuff, but I don't think she's gonna be able to come. If not, I'm gonna actually head down to her house. I'm also gonna have to get an oil change today. I'm here at my church hanging out with some old friends and people that I haven't seen for a while at kids games. If you can see the shirt, let's go see what we can make of today because it should be really interesting.
All right, everybody look up here, please. Shh. Gentlemen. Nice.
Team! The classic crazy over here for the purple team!
Y'all are crazy.
We got fuckboy number 1 on the yellow team!
Alright guys, well, it's not looking good, or like Sydney is able to come at all. So I'm gonna actually head over and do the oil change right now. I still haven't heard back from whether she can come or not. I'm going to assume it's most likely a no. Right now I'm going to go get an oil change, and if I do get a text that says she can come, I'll just wait and come back and she can head over. But if not, then I'm just gonna go ahead and head straight to her house after.
Hi, how are you?
Hello, could I just get an oil change?
Yeah, is this something you can drop off for the day?
How long would it take?
Sorry, we're booked with appointments right now.
I can't hear
So you have to drop it off. It might be all day before you can get to it.
Okay.
Or I can always consider an appointment for another day.
Okay, I think I'd do that instead.
Do I take that appointment?
Yeah.
Okay. So right now I am booked with appointments until Monday.
Alright, well, that was eventful. Now I can go back to kids' games. Actually, I don't know. I think since I'm closer to home, I'll head home. And then I'll see what Sydney says. And if she says anything, then I'll just head to her house. Anyway, it looks like they're booked up with appointments until Monday, which is ridiculous. So I'm gonna go in, I guess, next Wednesday, which is 4th of July, because that's the only day I don't work very long. Well, I guess we'll see what happens. As long as I get to see Sydney today, that's good. Yeah, that's really unfortunate that I can't do the oil change right now. But I guess we'll continue on the day and we'll just have some more fun. Alright, see you guys later.
Eat in peace.
No. There is no peace with me.
That's true.
Yeah.
No, that's not true.
Because we're only good. You have to believe in a 6,000-year-old Earth.
Now there's wandering more places. Alright. What? What's so funny? Just the way you are.
Yeah, I
We're
have
going to the beach.
My leg extended, and I'm trying to rub pen off my knee.
That pretty much sums you up. Ryan. Hey, it's a Wednesday, guys. How's that?
Wednesday, my dudes.
Oh, it stays.
Oh, that's kind of
Oh, it's gonna fall probably, but it does stay. Oh, frick. You're not helpful. We're on our way to the beach, like 3 hours after we decided we were gonna go. We found a parking spot, and it's like, luckily we did, because it's pretty full. There's actually one right there, too. And there's one that's, oh, there was one right there. Yeah, there's two.
spending half an hour
Just trying to move it in, because it's like a big truck. Guys, it's windy, and there is, like, people everywhere. The only person I care about out of all these people is you.
Oh, what the heck? That's mean.
Oh, I mean, I care about you too, but... We're leaving the beach now. Funny fun. Oh no, why are you running? Oh.
Here, you two, help me shake out all these towels.
I already shook out mine.
Let's go do it at the truck.
Just give me mine. Seth, take your towel. Or actually, this was your towel.
Now, the question that stands in all of our brains is, are we going to In-N-Out?
I don't know.
But nobody
Just help
knows.
her in.
Why
Get in.
can't
My
you
dad
just?
knows.
Why can't you step on the ground? Is there a problem here?
Yes.
Why don't we just get in?
Yeah, actually, I know.
Get in the truck that you spent forever cleaning.
Yes. Do not get a single grain of sand.
Oh, don't worry. I won't. Yeah, we better go to In-N-Out because I'm starving. I haven't eaten since,
I want a triple.
Same.
Oh, this is so hot.
I'm
I
getting
haven't eaten since...
a double
Oh, wow.
with a milkshake
Right?
and fries.
is really hot.
Wait.
Her shoulder is, like, extremely hot.
Ew! Suck.
Sisters.
Ew.
Well,
Oh yeah, 4 of them without sauce.
turns out we did not go to In-N-Out.
Oh Lord.
Triple cut.
We're going to Jack in the Box.
That's rude. Why are you
So
hiding
zoomed in.
solid
Get out.
abs?
You're gonna break a nail on my axe. Thank you, but we're gonna get 16 tacos, 4 of them without sauce. That's correct. That's it.
You did.
Thanks.
How's my hair? Does my hair look good, bad? I don't even know what you
Make sure to dab on the grater.
Well, we got home. We didn't get in and out. We got Jack in the Box tacos, which is nice. Now we're gonna do the horses real quick, and they have to leave like right now. I'm hoping she can come with me, because she doesn't want to go
Go to stupid water polo game.
water polo games, where it seems like you don't do anything anyway.
I just read.
What was that?
That was the base.
The what?
They bomb things.
Oh. Well, guys, I'm headed home earlier than expected, and Sydney is not coming with me, sadly enough. But, you know, at least I did get to see her today. That was my goal. Goal has been accomplished, so yeah. Headed home, and I got some more friends. There's gonna be a ton more people, more fun in the vlog to come, so, keep watching. Well, guys, we made it back home. Oh man, I haven't been here since 10 o'clock and I only stopped there for a few minutes. So really, I haven't been here all day. Eliana has a water polo game tonight, and the vlog's not over yet, guys. We are going to the beach. Yes, I know, back to the beach. I'm going back to the beach in just about 45 minutes or so.
Bye.
Bye. Oh yes, I need money.
I need money too.
Oh, me take it?
Yes,
Okay.
because I don't want to hold it.
The money's only for food. It's not like you have to pay to socialize with people.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. Back out to the car. Back out to the beach. Back to everywhere. I'm not even wearing shoes this time because I don't even want them. Alright. Look, here's another new face to the vlog today. So that's one. And there's going to be a whole bunch more. Oh, boys, we're back to the beach. Except this time there is way less people here. It's not near as crowded as Oceanside.
Oh, I was like, earlier he was telling me not to step on his volcano.
Well, this is the dinosaur.
Hot dog.
And not get burned.
Yo.
Alex, Kyle, nice to meet you, man. Almost. Oh, man. Are you coming out here? Termite? Yeah. I'm gonna take over your spot over there. Unfortunately for me.
What'd you break your arm on?
Mammoth mountain biking.
I'm trying to.
Feel it.
I'm not on camera. Just done that.
Vlog life.
You can't even hate on the vlog, bro.
It's fun.
Partly because I filmed some.
You actually do film my vlogs.
Got him.
Yo, I actually want to serve. Can we go back and grab the surfboard?
Fun.
You're fine.
Yeah, I was like, wait, why can't you come to the beach just because you have a broken arm?
That's what I told him too. I was like, you should still come. Was it your arm or your thumb?
thumb's chilling. My thumb's.
Was your bone like out of your skin or is it like
No.
fine?
It's fine. It's just a crack down the center of my arm.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
So you've been to Oregon? You've been in
Yosemite.
Yosemite?
I got her that one. Yeah, she got
You've
me.
been-
But I went. No, I went there. I went there. No, I've been there.
How is it better than other places?
It's just different.
It's just good.
The fact that it's not here helps too.
Next day when I took like
What's up, bro?
Because they wrapped
What's up?
You flying a drone right now?
and
No,
then
not
they
right
took
now.
me down to the lodge.
What are you doing?
I'm just
But the next day when I
filming.
unwrapped
What's up,
the
brother?
shower,
We're here. We're
it,
live
like,
at
looked
Vox
like a little
at the
weird.
beach.
It's like, you're like,
0 calories? You guys. Hey, we gotta face the sun. Are we gonna shotgun one of these? No, I'm just kidding.
I just wanna see, I just wanna see the light. I just wanna see, I just wanna see the light. I just wanna see, I just wanna see the light. I just wanna see the light. Even if it makes me blind, I just wanna see the light. Breathe in, leave it all behind. I just wanna see the light. Even if it makes me blind, I just wanna see the light. Breathe in, leave it all behind. I just wanna see the light. 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 I just wanna see the light.
Are you above the clouds right now?
Uh-huh.
That is crazy. It looks like an airplane shot. No way.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
I wonder if my camera's even gonna capture that. How high are we right now?
Up above in the clouds.
800 feet?
Is that max range?
Guys, we are grounded after the flight. The legitimately amazing flight above the clouds with the Mavic Pro. What a legend this thing has been to me. Now we put it away. I'm vlogging right
When I'm I'm also vlog. I have a vlog too. What?
now. Really?
Yeah. Collab. Freaking.
Alrighty guys, this is going to end off the weekly vlog for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was pretty jam-packed and full of stuff, and I tried to maintain energy, and I actually did have a lot of energy today, and I was in a very good mood. I was just, yeah, today was a pretty darn good day, I have to admit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.